Yes.
Hi, I'm Anita Sali. We're doing the 1405 Chemistry Lab Measurement and Uncertainty, and this is
Kennedy Ratcliffe.
And I'm Sandra Martinez.
And I'm Gwendolyn Bustamante.
Okay, so we're going to start off with activity 1. Okay, so you're going to get your scale, and you're going to need 2 plastic cups. You're going to label cup number 1 and cup number 2. And then you're going to turn on your scale, make sure it is at 0. And then you're going to start measuring your mass of your cups. So for cup number 1, we got around 10.1 grams. And then you're going to keep doing the same thing for 4 additional readings. So you should have 5 total. And you're going to do the same thing for cup number 2. After you get your readings, which we've got right here, you're going to find the average of your readings, and then you're going to perform a deviation from average equation. And then that will be the end of activity 1.
We are now working on activity 2, and the first thing we're going to do is turn the balance on and make sure it's stabilized at 0, 0. Then we're going to use a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder and balance it to record the mass. The mass is going to be 9.7 grams. And then it says remove the graduated cylinder and add 7 milliliters to the graduated cylinder.
very tiny. It's going to be difficult to do.
Oh,
Yeah, let's do that.
Work in progress.
Then we're going to record the volume.
Activity 2 to be continued.
Now we're going to find the high and low volume of the 7 milliliter cells added to the beaker, the graduated cylinder.
so then what's the high volume?
The high volume.
Okay, so the numbers that the water is between in.
Yes.
Alright. We know for sure it's between 5 and 6. Okay. I mean 8 and 6.
And after we find the high volume, we're going to find the average volume. And then after finding the average volume, we're going to find the uncertainty level.
Okay, we can just do that.
And then
just measure.
now we're going to take the mass of the glassware with water. And the mass is going to be 16.60 grams. And lastly, we're going to calculate the mass of the water. And then we're going to repeat these steps for the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder, the 25 milliliter Erlen flask, and the 250 milliliter beaker.
Alright.
Activity 3.
Okay, for activity 3, we recorded the room temperature and recorded onto the table. And we assumed that the water temperature was the room temperature. And we recorded the density of water from this table after we got the room temperature. And we're going to calculate the volume of the water for each of these that we took the data from.